Only on MTV, a European exclusive. Michael Jackson revealing his new creation on Most Wanted. Tuesday at 9 on MTV. Nowhere else.
Hey, it's Tuesday, the 23rd of May, 1995, and Most Wanted is back in town, and Most Wanted is better and bigger than ever. We've got a fantastic new show lined up for you. And tonight, we're bringing you an exclusive that all TV stations in Europe have been trying to get. But where do the stars go when they want to show their new video? Yes, MTV. And we tonight have a fantastic exclusive for you. Michael Jackson. Yes. The King of Pop is back. We don't have his new video yet because it's not ready, but he has made a video telling us that he's making a new video, and it's a video to talk about his comeback video, and that will be on later tonight. Okay, but now let's do the big showbiz thing that people all over Europe are waiting for. It's the Michael Jackson premiere. Now, as you probably know, Michael is back in town, bigger and badder than ever. Am I become a robot all of a sudden? Am I saying all those things they told me to say?
You are.
No, of course I'm not. Michael Jackson is back in town, bigger and badder than ever. And his new single is with his sister Janet. You probably know that already. We're still waiting for the video to be completed. It's costing millions and millions of dollars. And in the meantime, Michael has sent us a little present, especially for you. This is Michael announcing to you that he's back, he's black, and he's as mad as hell. Michael Jackson is back.
Diversai nazioni del mondo construas citión sultanon en la nomo de tut monda patrinezo, caiamo